Hi everybody, Wendy from Cinnamon Sweet Shop, the channel where I show you how to make your favorite baked treats and desserts just a little bit healthier. Today I'm going to be making some no-bake chocolate chews. Quick, easy recipe to make on a really hot day, or cold day too, but on a hot day when you really don't feel like having the oven on baking. So this recipe could be made either vegan or non-vegan. So what you'll need is some quick oats. Now the difference between quick oats and old-fashioned oats are the quick oats are smaller grain. I'm using my organic sugar. You can use any kind of dry sweetener you want. Here I have some shredded sweetened coconut. I'm going to be using some chopped up walnuts in this recipe. However, you could also use chopped almonds or pecans. My vegan buttery sticks. I prefer Earth Balance brand, but you can use any vegan buttery sticks or unsalted real butter if you are not vegan. I'm also using some full fat almond milk. Now you can use half and half if you're not vegan, or you can also use cashew milk or coconut milk. Here I have bittersweet chocolate chips. You could also use semi-sweet. Some almond extract, vanilla extract, and I'm using maple syrup. And again, you could substitute this with honey for a non-vegan version. In a saucepan, I'm going to bring together the sugar, the butter, or the buttery sticks in my case, your cream or milk, and the maple syrup or the honey. And we're going to bring this to a boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. As this is coming to a boil, you want to constantly stir this to dissolve all of the sugar. When it comes to a boil, remove from heat, add in the chocolate, and stir that until it's completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Then add in your extracts. Now I'm going to add in the remainder of the ingredients. So I have here my oats and my coconut. Mix this in real well. And last, your chopped nuts. On a pan lined with either parchment paper, wax paper, or a silicone mat, I'm going to just drop the mixture by the tablespoonful. Let these sit on the counter for at least an hour until they set. You will get a lot of chews with this recipe. I got close to 60 of them. Once they set, they're so good. They're chewy, they're delicious. This recipe's at my website, cinnamonsweetshop.com, also linked below. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for much more coming up, and I'll see you next time.